Geometry in CAT can be fun if you solve it in the right way. This is a question which says what is the ratio of area of the largest rectangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle to the area of the semicircle. In this question, the sides are not given, units are not given, radius is not given. How to solve it? We can assume things, right? We can assume radius to be 7 or whatever, and because it's a ratio, common things will be cancelled out. We know that. Okay, so there's no problem even if the sides are not given. I'll just draw the semicircle first of all. That's a semicircle, hopefully, yeah. Now a rectangle inside it. To maximize it, this is how I'll be drawing it. Okay, I don't know what are the sides. How can I solve that? Would I use calculus? Not in the ambit of CAT. Should I use AMG inequality? Algebra? I don't really know. But if I just visualize things clearly, this should be, might be a part of, half part of a full circle. And if I complete the full circle, I'll also have to make the replica of this rectangle. The moment I do it, now I know that the maximum area of a quadrilateral that is inscribed in a circle is a square. This happens to be a square. What kind of square? A square whose diagonal is same as the diameter of the given circle. So if I assume this to be r radius, all right, it has to coincide here. There is a center, radius. So diameter of this circle is 2r, cool, and the diagonal of the square here is again 2r. Now I can find the areas. So if diagonal is 2r, the area of semicircle is the entire circle is pi r square, okay, in the denominator, and over it I'll have the square, the area of square. So if 2r is the diagonal, this whole, then this side must be 2r by root 2, or I can say r root 2 directly. So the area of square is square of its side. And this is the area of the circle. So if I solve it, what do I get? R square gets cancelled out, and this becomes 2 by pi. So if the option is in form of 2 by pi, it's okay. If the question says use pi as 22 by 7, you can do that as well. 2 upon 22 by 7. So I'll get 7 by 11 as the final answer. Now, you might be thinking that why didn't I divide it by 2? Okay, this is the full rectangle, full square and full circle, and this is half. The question says half. We don't have to, because even if we do half, I would have to do it on both the numerator and denominator, both will be cancelled out. So answer is 2 by pi or 7 by 11. If you want to know these questions, these kind of questions, this kind of approach to solve difficult questions in a quicker way, then you can join the iQuanta CAT crash course, and we have started with geometry. If you want to join it, go to description and click on the link.